Who in this world doesn't want beautiful, long, healthy hair? But most of the people are suffering from the problem of hair fall. Namaste, I'm Acharya Pratishtha. I welcome you at Bharat Yoga English Nectar, a special 21 days program. Today we are going to learn very simple practices to say goodbye to the problem of hair fall and to get beautiful, long, healthy hair. Now we need to understand what is the reason of hair fall. There are several reasons of hair fall. One important reason is stress, tension. Second reason is not sleeping on time, not waking up on time. Third reason is not eating a healthy diet. Next reason is genetic. And of course, because of the gravitational force, blood circulation and flow of energy is downward all the time when we are not doing any such activity, which helps us in bringing flow of blood and flow of energy upward, it causes hair fall. So whatever the reason is, practices that I'm going to share with you today are going to help you in getting rid of the problem of hair fall and in getting beautiful, long, healthy hair. So let's start. To practice these kriyas, it's very, very important that you must be empty stomach. It's also very important that you practice these kriyas on the mat only. So what is the first practice that we are going to do? Let's see. First practice is Ushtrasana. To practice Ushtrasana, you have to come on your knees and slowly take your body back. So touch your feet, make an arc of your back, leave your neck loose and let the blood flow towards your skull. This practice is going to nourish your scalp. It will take energy to your head and it will give you beautiful hair. Then come back and just after this practice, place your palms on the floor. Stretch your hands ahead, bend forward, touch your elbows to the floor and try to touch your forehead to the floor. Now, lift up your elbows, lift up your face, and same way as you took your hands ahead, bring your hands back, sit in Vajrasana. Now, these are two practices, but when you will do it for your hair fall problem, we have to do it the same way I showed you, one and one. So making it a one practice. Let's just have a look once again. Now, bend back. If you cannot bend back like I did, then you can just keep your hands at your back and you can bend back like this also. But if you have severe back pain or any other back issue, you need to skip this. Otherwise, you can do it. So I am showing you the full one. Keep your head loose. Then back. Sit in Vajrasana. Place your palms on the floor and even while bending forward, if you can bend only till here, make your neck like this. And this is also absolutely fine. But if you can go ahead, you can do only till here. That is also fine. But if you can do till here, this is just perfect. And then back. So this has to be done 3 to 5 times. Now one more practice. You must have seen Shirshasana, which means headstand. When your legs are up, your head is down. No. We are not going to do that because beginners shall never attempt to do this without any proper guidance, and beginners shall anyway not do it. So this is Ardha Shirsh, half Shirshasana. How to do that? Sit in Vajrasana, interlock your fingers and place your hands in front of you. So elbows are on the floor, hands are on the floor. Now lift up your hips and try to touch your forehead to the floor, taking support from your hands at the top of your head. So my forehead is on the floor and my top of my head is touching and taking support from my interlocked fingers and my palms. Elbows are firm on the floor, and slowly I'm going to lift up my knees and bring your toes closer to you as much as you can, making your spine straight. Stay in this position for some time, as long as comfortable. Then place your knees on the floor, place your hips on your heels, and make fist of your hand, left fist here and right above your left, and place your forehead on your both fists. Do not sit straight away. This is very important that you stay in this position for some time and then slowly sit in Vajrasan. No hurry to open your eyes. Relax your hands and then slowly open your eyes. So these very simple practices, Ardha Shirshasana, can be done 3 times, not more than 3 times. And combination of Ushtra and Guru Pranam, commonly known as Shashankasana, can be done 3 to 5 times. Other than this, make sure that you avoid using harsh chemical-based shampoos on your hair. Also, you comb your hair properly. Try to take a wood comb rather than a plastic comb. I have already shared 10 ways to stop your hair fall. We will be sharing the link at the description box. You can check that video at Bharat Yoga English YouTube channel. Make sure that you give proper massage to your hair. You eat a high protein diet, and when I say high protein means and not something which is coming from violence, rather which is coming from plants. So take plant proteins, add milk and milk products in your diet, take ample liquids and fluids in your diet, and make sure that you spend 20 minutes in sunlight walking barefoot on green grass. This simple practice will also help you in bidding a farewell to your hair fall problem. If you have any other question, any other query, do not hesitate to send us your problems. Stay tuned. We will be seeing you tomorrow at 7. Lots of love, light and blessings. Hari Om.